Hey coders, and welcome back to Deep Techno Elite. Today we are diving into the heart of Python programming, data types. These are the fundamental building blocks that determines how your data is stored and manipulated. Let's explore the different data types Python offers. What are data types? Think of data types as different kind of boxes. You can store number, text or more complex structure in these boxes. Python automatically determines the data type based on the value you assign to the variable. Python provides several built-in data types. Let's explore them. Text type, that is string, used for storing text data just like hello world. Next is numeric type, that is int, to store integers like 10, -5 or 0, float for floating point number like 3.14 or -2.5, and complex for complex numbers, that is the number with real and imaginary parts. Next one is sequence type. It has list, order, collection of items. List is mutable, that means we can change it. The next one is tuple, that is order collection of items which is immutable. Range, that is the sequence of numbers. Next data type is mapping type, that is dictionary, which is unordered collection of key value pairs. Next one is set types. Set is unordered collection of unique items, and frozen set, which is immutable set. Next data type is Boolean type. Bool represents truth value, true or false. Python has next data type, which is binary types, which includes bytes, which is immutable sequence of bytes, byte array, mutable sequence of byte, memory view, object providing a view of the internal bytes of another object. Understanding data type is essential for effective Python programming. By knowing the different type and how to use them, you can write more efficient and accurate code. In the next video, we will dive deeper into the specific data types and their operations. Smash that like button, subscribe and drop a comment below. What's your favorite data type? Stay tuned.